they suck at what they're doing. Please don't get me wrong. They really suck at this. They're just horrible.
And if this disappoints you, well, you're just going to have to learn to live with disappointment.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy. In every life we have some trouble. When you worry, you make it double. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now. Don't worry, be happy. Ain't got no place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed, but don't worry, be happy. The landlord say your rent is late. He may have to litigate. Don't worry, be happy. Look at me, I'm happy. Don't worry, be happy. Hey, I'll give you my phone number. When you're worried, call me. I make you happy. Ain't got no cash, ain't got no style. Ain't got no gal to make you smile. But don't worry, be happy. Cause when you worry, your face will frown, and that will bring everybody down. So don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy.
Is it on this time? Are you sure? My goodness. Well, I just finished the most awesome Bismuth pouring video probably in the world. But I didn't have the camera on. So, take two. My take twos are never as good as my take ones. As I was saying, I have never worked with this material before. Except I guess that's a lie now since I just did. And you didn't get to watch. But you didn't miss much, although I did burn myself. That was kind of hilarious. So, sorry you had to miss that. My technique has gotten worse, especially since I turned the camera on, or at least I thought that the camera was on. Yes. I did these in lead and solder. Came out pretty good. Turn the camera off. Can't pour a damn thing. Look like that monkey with the football. waiting on that to melt. This is Bismuth. That's 3 pounds right there. It's $7.10 a pound if you buy 10 pound on eBay, and $8.99 a pound on Rotometals. Ordered them both the same day. Rotometals got here yesterday. eBay hasn't even shipped it yet. So that's what we're working with. And if you want to see a video on crystals, up here in the corner, I'll put up a link for Kevin Rose's video on how to make crystals. But today we're just going to cast a few. Maybe at the end we'll hit them with a torch and see what color they turn. I can't seem to get them to turn whatever color they whatever color they are is what color they are. I've seen the Bismuth Smith. Again, link up in the top corner. He can make them green, yellow, purple, red, whatever color he wants them to turn. That's what color they turn. Me, nope, purple, blue. That's pretty much it so far. $17 self-igniting torch head. First time this worked today. Maybe it knew the camera is on this time. Hopefully the camera's still on. I think maybe I was working with too much material last time, so I didn't fill it all the way up this time. Wish me luck. Just a drop too much. Not enough left for the arrowhead. I don't know, maybe. Kind of wimpy looking. Hot, 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 hot. I always wear gloves. See, I don't know where it is on the screen, so I just keep moving it around. And the skull's going to be stuck. The skull has very deep eye holes. You have to overfill it where it ends up with holes in it. And the arrowhead looks like it's got a crack in it because of the pore lines. Ladybug, ladybug. Come on out, ladybug. Ladybug looks like a remelt. I'm telling you, I'm really good with them when the camera ain't on. And she was going to be so cute, too. But she's just a little bit too big. A little bit too much metal. I got a more realistic skull mold on the way, but no one has this one. It's like a monkey skull or something. So. We'll be back at you when they cool off. And I'll get them cleaned up. The colors weren't coming out very well today, for some reason. I had a little practice piece, like less than an ounce, and it would color up real nice.
Remember when you ran away and I got on my knees and begged you not to leave because I'd go berserk? Well, you left me anyhow, and then the days got worse and worse, and now you see I've gone completely out of my mind. And they're coming to take me away, ha-ha, they're coming to take me away, ho-ho, hee-hee, ha-ha, to the funny farm where life is beautiful all the time, and I'll be happy to see those nice young men in their clean white coats, and they're coming to take me away, ha-ha!
Oh my.
Poor Leonardo da Vinci. He sure was stupid.